Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. When you picture a farm, what comes to mind? Maybe a big red barn, a tractor plowing fields under a wide open sky. That's a classic image. But today, we're going to explore a revolution that's transforming those fields into high-tech hubs of innovation. We're talking about modern agriculture, and trust me, it's more sci-fi than you might think. So, what exactly is smart farming or digital agriculture? In short, it's about using technology to grow more food, more efficiently, and more sustainably. It's about making data-driven decisions instead of relying solely on tradition or guesswork. This isn't just a small upgrade, it's a complete paradigm shift, and it's called precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is changing the game. Instead of treating an entire field as one single unit, farmers can now manage it almost on a plant-by-plant basis. Imagine knowing exactly which part of your field needs more water, which section needs a specific nutrient, and which plants are at risk of disease, all in real. That's not a distant dream. It's happening right now thanks to some incredible tools. Let's start with the view from above. Drones are becoming one of the farmers' most valuable assets. Equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, they can fly over hundreds of acres in minutes. They can create detailed maps showing crop health, identify pest infestations, or spot irrigation problems before they become catastrophic. This aerial intelligence allows farmers to apply resources like water or fertilizer precisely where they are needed, saving money and reducing environmental impact. But the tech isn't just in the sky, it's also on the ground. Fields are now embedded with a network of sensors that monitor everything from soil, moisture, and temperature to nutrient levels. These sensors constantly feed data back to a central system. Think of it as the farm's nervous system, always sensing and reporting what's happening. And what processes all this massive amount of data from drones and sensors? That's where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI algorithms can analyze complex patterns in the data that a human might miss. It can predict crop yields with incredible accuracy, recommend the best time to plant or harvest, and even identify specific weeds or diseases from an image. AI is essentially giving farmers a crystal ball, helping them anticipate challenges and optimize their operations like never before. So, what does the farm of the future look like? Get ready for automation. We're already seeing self-driving tractors that can plow, plant, and spray fields 24/7 with GPS precision down to the centimeter. But it's going even further. Imagine small autonomous robots rolling through the rows, individually tending to each plant, pulling weeds, or harvesting ripe fruit and vegetables with delicate robotic hands. This level of automation means farms can operate more efficiently, with less manual labor, and can be located in places we never thought possible, like vertical farms in the middle of a city. These indoor farms use LED lighting and hydroponics to grow produce year-round, bringing fresh food right to our urban doorsteps and drastically cutting down on transportation costs and carbon emissions. The combination of drones, sensors, AI, and robotics is not just about growing more food. It's about creating a more resilient and sustainable food system for a growing global population. It's about conserving our precious resources like water and land, and ensuring that we can feed the world for generations to come. The quiet fields of yesterday are becoming the buzzing, intelligent, and automated landscapes of tomorrow. The agricultural revolution is here, and it's powered by innovation. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this look into the future of farming as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what piece of farming tech you think is the coolest. See you in the next one.